Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got the seeds from last year for the strawberries. I already filled up a large pot, I believe it was a 3-gallon pot, with some of that rich topsoil, potting soil that I had put in the garden and what I used for the roses. So let's get this thing started. I got my seed starting mix and we're going to mix it together in this pot. Okay, so, like I said, I got that potting soil. I'll put it down at the bottom here. So, let's see how our seeds turned out. They spent time in the freezer. Now, I've seen other videos, and they were showing how they do theirs. I may try that next time. But, I do have quite a few seeds. So we're just going to sprinkle them out in here. Got quite a few of them. So it's kind of a 50-50 chance whether it's going to come up or not. Okay. Got in there. Spread them out a little bit. You got the seed starter. Now, fun as may seem, it is warmer outside than it is here in the barn. Not by too many degrees, but the sun out there sure does help. It's 40 degrees in here. Okay, just a little bit more. I tried last year trying to grow the seeds in that other potting soil. It was just too coarse, and the cat didn't help knocking it out. I think she knocked most of them down into the down the drain. Okay, that should be good for that. Put this up top here on the shelf. Being on the homestead, growing your own food, I like to try to start from seed and something I like. Those strawberries were U.S. grown, so they didn't have the radiation applied to it. Okay, I'm going to get some water. We're going to water these things in real well. So we got them all watered. This stuff really floats, so having the seeds down into the thicker, the more grainier type potting soil, which is really rich, at least the water won't wash it away. So I'm going to put this out in the sun. Now this is, let's see, what is today? I believe it's the 21st of February, 2022. So, this is like what we discussed on how to separate the seeds. Would I do that again? Probably not. I've seen some other ways that it's less messy, and we'll see how that works. So, we got it sitting in the sun. The garbage can's normally what I put in there, what I take to the landfill once or twice a year. But it'll get sun from the east, which is over there, and where the sun goes down there, it'll get sun. And I'll add water as needed. So thanks again for coming to my channel, and see, we're going to start the seeds from which we started getting the seeds from strawberries. You can look back in one of my first several videos where I used a blender. Next time I go to do it, I'm going to show you a different way. So again, give me a thumbs up if you like this stuff. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by.